Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today what we're doing is we're going to set up our binders, your chemistry binder. I do want it to look exactly like mine. I will check it. The state of Texas says we're required to journal, and so we'll have a section in our binders for journaling. This is to teach you how to be neat and organized. I can't stress to you enough when I give you a sheet of paper how important it is to open up the 3-ring binder and immediately put it in and write it in the table of contents. You decorate yours how you want to. Okay, so the first thing we're going to have in our binders is a table of contents. Okay, so on my table of contents I already have written a few things that are in my binder. Okay, the first one being the syllabus, and I want your page number 1 to be a syllabus. I want page number 2 to be the safety rules. I want page number 3 to be the periodic table. And notice I wrote on there elements to memorize. I will give you probably 15 or so periodic tables throughout the year on the back with some sort of reference. It's very, very important that you keep up with it. You'll notice also I have chem games, the laboratory safety, the safety symbols, and then the matter notes that we did on Friday. Number 7, we can go ahead once I return your safety quizzes. You can actually put safety quiz in number 7. Okay. If you are big in neatness, big on organization, and have to have sections, come see me. Okay. So you see the very first page is the syllabus. Notice in the top right hand corner I have the page number that corresponds with the page number from the table of contents. These must correlate. I know that sounds silly, but I can't tell you how many students will have matter notes page 6, but when we turn to page 6 they'll have it as page 14 or whatever. So these guys must be in order. So page 1, the syllabus, in the top right hand corner with the number. Page 2, these are those safety precautions that I gave you that with your safety contract. Okay, everyone can see what that page looks like. Page 3 in the top right hand corner is our periodic table with our elements to memorize. We had a quiz over this group on 828. Then we'll have a quiz next Friday over 1 through 20. Then the next Friday 1 through 30. And finally the last quiz will be 1 through 40. Okay, Chem Games Laboratory Safety is page 4. Flipping back to our table of contents, you see it also is on page 4. Please make sure that you keep up with that. Okay. Page 5 are the safety symbols worksheet that I gave you. Remember, you won't have one that looks like this. You'll have one that you hand wrote. Okay. Page 6 are the notes that we did on Friday, the matter notes. Okay, apparently these are the ones I did for 4th period. So that's page 6. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. You do not necessarily need dividers unless that's something that you want. And then I would like you to come see me because I don't want a bunch of table of contents and stuff. I want organization. Very, very important that when you get or handed a paper, for instance, when you're handed your composition of matter concept map today, that you go ahead and put it in your binder. And since you're going to turn that in, you can go ahead and put it as page 8 or page 7. I'm sorry, page 8, because you're going to get your safety quiz back today. Page 8, and then when I turn it back in, it's already there written down for you, page 8. So we keep everything systematic and we keep everything neat and organized. Okay? Notice I did not put my URI chemical project in there. I put it in an inside folder. I do not ever want to see a bunch of papers on this inside folder unless I tell you to put it there. Very, very important. Okay? All right. Well, thank you so much.